extended expedition, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we will discover and explore more about penguins and their natural behaviors. Did you know that penguins have existed from 50 to 60 million years? Penguins are only found in the southern hemisphere or south of the equator, while dolphins in the neighboring Pacific are found only in the northern hemisphere. Now, watch closely how our penguins follow one another around. You may think they are trained, but no, it is in fact a natural behavior that penguins do so. There are 17 penguin species in the world, and here in the Jerome Bird Park we have 5 of them. They are the honey penguins, very
Are you scared, Carrie?
the rock-hopped penguins, the running and the fairy penguins. Look, these are the Humboldt penguins, found along the South American coastline in Peru, Chile, and Argentina, using in this warm Pacific. In fact, many live along the coast of the desert. But of course, the Humboldts love cold water too. They are